Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 not launching. So let's start. Now for the first step, go to the Windows search bar, type settings, now open it. After that, once this opens, go to the left menu and select Windows Update and make sure to check for the latest available updates you will find right here. Download and install all of them. If you have failed updates, make sure to retry installing them. Next, go to the search again and type in NVIDIA. If you can't find NVIDIA app application, you can just download that from the browser. Type in NVIDIA download. After setting it up, make sure to select NVIDIA app. After that, go to drivers in the left menu and just install the latest driver you will find. Select install. After that, choose between custom or express installation and click on continue. For the next step, open the Steam launcher. After that, go to library and select collections. Now search for Overwatch 2 in the left menu. Once you find it, go to the left menu and select this gear icon right here. After that, select properties. Now this tab will open, so go to the left menu and select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. We'll start by verifying the original game files and verify any corrupted file or missing file. Just wait for the process to finish, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.